for episode 6, I'm going to be trying to complete the dwarf hamster collection. And I also wanted to give a shout out to some people who have gifted me recently or have just been giving me a lot of good trades. So I'm going to go ahead and show you those people and what they've done for me. Okay, so this line art right here, this little horse line art and this one, that's got to be my favorite little horse outline. I just love it. It's so cute. But this was gifted to me. Ep.6. They gave me this very rare 2009 adorable little horse. So that's a trade. Love that thing. It's so cute. Okay, and then I wanted to give a shout out to Ivy. I get a lot of trades from you. Oops. Didn't mean to do that. Okay, so I got your trade with all these hamsters. I'm going to go ahead and edit this because one of them I don't need. But we can definitely make this work. I don't need this one. Don't need doubles. Okay. So close to... I guess I already have that one. Alright. Don't need the rat either. Honestly, I think that's good. Alright, and then once I have those, I'll have some more of the dwarf hamsters added to my collection. So my goal right now is to collect all of the small animals and complete the collection for all of them. Right now I have 116 of the hamsters. I'm not sure how many there are total, but this is my collection, so all the ones that I need are on my wish list, so I'm going to go ahead and trade people and try to find my last few hamsters. I'm going to do that by bumping my topic real quick, and then I feel like I have some trades that I need to answer. Okay, I haven't looked at this one. Okay, let's see if they have a sitting cat that I can add in there instead of... No, I don't. Don't know how I feel about that because I like to trade up rather than down. Let's see if there's anything else I have on their wish list. Maybe there's a double of another pet that I have. Go do it for this one because I have a double of him. Alright, would this work instead? Alright. Okay. Oh, I need these hamsters. Okay. Let's see if they have 2009 something or other that I could use to kind of fill in the age gap. Probably be last page. I don't know. Would this work instead? Alright. Yeah, this looks fair. Yeah. This looks good to me. Oops. Alright, so now we'll try to find the last hamsters I have on my wish list. Try to complete this collection. They have lots. Hey, my dreamy is the URB. Okay, let's see. Oh, I need this guy. I need this guy. That's it. Let's see if I have a 2019 uncommon I could give them for 2 of these cute little hamsters. They're adorable. And then after these hamsters, I'm going to do the other line art hamster. I think that's it, because I don't think there's any more small animals. I don't want to do rats, because I literally don't have any rats, because I gave them all away. And I don't really like the way that they look. Okay, what's going on here? Okay. I don't know why this is named Overpay. It really doesn't have to be Overpay. Okay. What would be fair? Well, I think probably one of these guys. But like I said, I'm going to try to collect these afterwards, so I'm going to use a double that I have of this guy. Alright. Would this work for you? Okay, we have a trade. Let's see what's going on. Oh, you're online! Okay. Awesome. Alright, so now I have to go to the archives, which actually should be open over here, but I didn't keep it over there. Alright, my pet wish list for hamsters. I do this in a very complicated way. Okay, so a lot of times the pets that you just get show up like on your first page of your wish list, or above all of your actual wish list. So let's see. Okay, I actually did get these 2 guys, so I'll remove them. Alright, I got him. Got him. And that one. Okay. Need to make sure I keep track of them. Let's see. Did I really get this one? I don't know, I have to look at the group. Alright, so I'm going to remove all their names because I'm going to move the others to the trade groups. Okay, so these will go into the rare group. Oh, I got the other 2 hamsters. Awesome. I'm going to double check to make sure I have the really dark one before I move on. Oops, no, I wanted to go to the new group. My bad. Okay, so dwarf hamsters. Alright, that was... Oh, I can't tell the date. Yeah, that's the only bad thing about looking at your wish list right here is you can't tell the date, so you can't like double check really quickly. Okay, so let's see. Okay. So there's one. Where's the little... Is he on the other page? Oh my goodness. No, he's not. I don't actually have him. Well, if I do, he's in one of the trading groups. That's gonna take forever to find. Says I have the gray squirrel hamster. I don't think I do. Got this one, right? Yes. Alright, so now we'll go back to trading other people. We'll do Peachy Coo, because they want trades. So let's send them a trade. Oh, they have the banana. Alright, let's see. Oh, we need this guy, apparently. And this guy. And this guy. Wait, did I get this guy? No, I didn't. I don't think I did. Alright, so, let's see. The oldest one is, okay, they're mostly 2016. Okay, so we'll actually see if we have any. Nope, it's probably really rare stuff. Okay, let's give them, let's see, I'll give them a one older pet and one older uncommon pet. I have a lot of older uncommon cats. Yeah, like these guys, but I don't want to use those guys. So I'll actually use this guy. Alright. Would this work for you? Okay, there we go. Yeah, hopefully that would work for him. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and bump my topic again. See if we can get any trades. Pound open? 5 hours. Alright, Scarlet. Send trade. Oh, they had this guy. I actually haven't seen him anywhere. I have never owned this guy right here. Cool. I have my last couple. Okay. So 2017 is the oldest. So we'll find a... Oh, they can have that. They can have this. And let's see what else is on their wish list. They have lots of stuff on their wish list. So... Wow. Okay. No. Alright. Probably should have added another pet in that trade, but oh well. Alright. Let's do this one. Their interests are depression. It's kind of sad. Literally. Okay, let's see if you have any of my little hamsters. You do, look at that. And you got another one of those. I could always use another one. Alright, so the oldest one is 2018. Let's see, I do not have any good, like, common pets on the wish list. So we'll do older, uncommon. Hopefully they'll appreciate that. And we'll do a pony. And then this group's kind of a little partial to it. Okay. Let's just add random pets. Will these work for you? Message. I have a message. Oh. Yeah, I adopted that from the pound. It's all good, guys. It's all good. Alright. It's weird that I'm not getting any responses. It's time to bump again. While we're waiting, I'll show you some of my best trades. Ayana123 gave me a cute, adorable little cow that I added to my little collection. So thank you to Ayana123. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, I'm so sorry. But yes, she gave me this adorable little cow, and I'm very happy. Okay, so Chihuahua is one of my good trading friends. So thank you, Chihuahua, for sending me all the trades that you do. I love all of your trades. Mostly because I never have to decline them. So thank you for sending amazing trades. Alright, so I haven't gotten any trades. So I'm just going to go ahead and end the video. I'm ending the video with 124 hamsters. Hopefully the collection will be done soon. And when it is, I will share it with you guys. And when I start with the other line art hamster, it's hamster line art, I'll go ahead and tell you. I thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys in the next one.